Throughout this LSVT Coach video tutorial, we will walk you through the installation of the LSVT Coach together. We will be showing the LSVT Coach Professional Edition installation. However, the installation of the Client Edition of the LSVT Coach is more or less the exact same. A quick mention before we begin, you must have full administrative rights to the PC that you are using. If you do not have full administrative rights or are uncertain, please contact your internal IT representative. To install the LSVT Coach Professional Edition software, you should have received an email as displayed currently on screen from an LSVT Global support representative, either after purchase of the LSVT Coach and/or verification for an upgrade from the LSVT Companion, the outdated version of the software, over to the LSVT Coach, the newly released and updated version of the software. This email will contain a unique calibration code which has been highlighted for you. Note, this calibration code is specific to your Samsung Go mic which you have received from LSVT Global. This email also contains two attachments: a set of installation instructions for your LSVT Coach in addition to a troubleshooting guide, which makes certified clinicians aware of some common issues they may experience while using the LSVT Coach. Be sure to read the Things to Know Before You Get Started page, which is on page 1 of 3 within the installation instructions. Pages 2 and 3 themselves will consist of the installation instructions. To get started with installing the LSVT Coach, please click here. In doing so, a screen titled LSVT Global Home Site will display listing two folders. Click on the folder titled LSVT Coach Professional Edition Install File. A file name beginning with the words LSVT Coach Pro will display. Select the executable file by clicking on the file name. A screen will appear with the word Download in a blue box. Click on the blue box to begin the download of the software to your PC. A file beginning with the words LSVT Coach Pro will now appear in your downloaded files. Click on the file name to begin the installation process. You will be asked to select a language using a drop-down box. Click the down arrow. Choose between either English and/or German by clicking on the language of your preference. Go ahead and press OK. And now two screens will briefly display, followed by a screen titled Welcome to the Install Shield Wizard for the LSVT Coach Pro. To continue, click on the Next button. A screen will appear listing the license agreement. To read the full agreement, use the scroll bar to the right of the text. You can also optionally print the agreement by selecting the Print button here. To continue with the installation, click the open circle to the left of the words, I accept terms in the license agreement. A dot will now appear in the circle, and now you will go ahead and click on the Next button. A screen with multiple boxes or fields separated by hyphens will appear. You will now need the box containing your Samsung USB microphone, or you can refer to the email which was associated with this attachment that was shown earlier off in the video. Your unique calibration code will be highlighted in yellow. Refer to the front of your microphone box or that email and locate your unique calibration code. Again, this is a code that identifies your unique calibrated microphone specific to the LSVT Coach. Now you will want to refer back to this screen here on your computer and start typing into the boxes here which say microphone code. Beginning with the first open field, type the letters and numbers that appear on the front of the box or in your email. Your cursor will automatically advance to the next open field. Continue until your entire calibration code has been entered. Once your calibration code has been entered, click on the next button. We recommend that you do not change any of the file directory locations shown here. A screen titled "The Wizard is ready to begin installation" will appear here. Now click on the install button. A screen will now appear which says the Install Shield Wizard has successfully installed the LSVT Coach Pro. Click Finish to exit the wizard. After clicking Finish, the LSVT Coach and the LSVT data folders should be now located on the desktop of your PC, which means that the installation of the LSVT Coach is complete. Note: the LSVT Coach software is now installed and linked to your calibrated Samsung Go Mic USB microphone. You may now remove the full administrative rights from your clinician's profile and restore them to their previous settings. To finish off the installation of the LSVT Coach Professional Edition, start by clicking on the software. And this should be the very first screen that you are greeted with. This product is registered to, and you will want to start by registering this product to yourself by entering your first, last name, and the name of your office. From here, you will be asked to set a password for your LSVT Coach. And then go ahead and press Continue. From the main menu of the LSVT Coach, you have varying options such as Select a Client, Client Information, Editor, Set Passwords, Settings and Help, and Exit. You will also have the options above, which are Display Data and Play Audio. To start using the LSVT Coach, start by selecting Client Information, and from here you will go ahead and add a new client into your software. Please reach out to LSVT Coach at lsvtglobal.com for any additional questions or concerns you may have.